Hello you all lovely people, I'm back again, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw your eyebrows using eyebrow pen and a pomade. So I'm using Kat Von D pomade dark brown color because that's the color closest to my hair color, and the benefit is number 6, also dark brown. So when you're doing eyebrows, make sure the color that you choose is actually close to the color of your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the pen. Okay, so normally when I'm drawing my eyebrows, I normally start doing a line under my eyebrows. Okay, and then I'm gonna do another line on top to make the shape. Okay, so once I've got the shape that I want, I'm gonna fill up the inside. If you noticed, I did not apply anything here. Make sure you're doing it really lightly, as light as a feather. If you do it hard, then it's gonna be hard for you to control it as well, and the stroke will not look natural. Okay, so once you've got that, I'm gonna draw a hair-like stroke here. And then I'm gonna blend it using this. And that's it. Eyebrows is looking natural. Okay, if you're not satisfied yet, then you can just fill it up wherever you want to, or blend it. You just have to keep checking every now and then. Anyway, there, I'm happy with that. So that's it. It's very easy. The easiest way to draw an eyebrows is using a pen. Some people will put a concealer to make it clean, but for me, that's good enough. I'll leave it as it is, but later I'm gonna show you how to put a concealer or foundation just to make the arch more smoother and more defined. Okay, so let's start with the other side now. I'm gonna use the pomade, and I'm using the brush from Sigma called Angled Brow E75. Okay, I'm gonna dip the brush really lightly, and then if I think it's too much, I'm gonna just wipe a bit of the excess on the tissue, and then like as what I did in the other side, I'm gonna start lining my brows. I always start in this side. I know some people like to start here, but I always start here because I want this side to be more natural. Okay. Okay, I have the line, and then I'm going to do the same on top. Okay, so once you got the shape that you want, there, same as what we did here, this side, we're gonna peel it up as well. Now to blend it, you can also use this and then carry on with growing. Guys, medyo tricky yung pag-apply ng pomade, pero practically this is really good kasi this tub can last for a year, not unlike the pencil. This only lasts for a month, lalo pag araw-araw yung ginagamit. The tub will last for more than a year. So practically mas okay siya gamitin. You just have to learn to apply it. Pero once na ma-master nyo na siya, it's really good. Okay, so here again, gaya nung ginawa natin dito, very lightly. As you notice, hindi ko na siya i-dip. I didn't dip it anymore in the tub. I'm just using the excess. Okay. Keep blending, guys. there it is. That's done. You see, there's not much difference. Let me know kung ano yung gusto nyo. Para sa akin, pareho lang. Pero mas madali kasing i-apply yung pen. Yung pomade, you really need to practice. Pero once na magaling ka na, like as I said, it's more practical to use. So, dito, mas mapapamahal ka kasi bili ka ng bili. But anyway, like as I said, I'm gonna show you how to put concealer or foundation, whatever you have. I'm gonna use foundation to straighten up yung lines, to make it more defined. I don't really do this unless it's occasion makeup, pang party, yung talagang plakado yung kilay mo, then I will do it. Pero kung daily makeup lang, I'm happy with ganito lang. This is good enough for daily makeup. Pero yun nga, kung gusto mong plakado yung kilay mo, I'll show you how. Okay, my favorite foundation, I'm gonna put very tiny bit there. And using my concealer brush, I'm gonna get very little, and then i-define ko siya. Kakalatin ko yan. I did not apply it straight away next to the brows kasi I'm gonna spread it. See that? And then on top, little by little, guys. Don't do it straight or don't do it all in one go. And then just blend it here. There. Mas plakado na siya. I'll do the same in the other side. Again, very little. Okay. Spread it and then use it there. Teka lang. Nakita nyo kaya kanina nung nag-apply ako. Piling ko hindi nyo nakita. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Okay. Blend, 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 blend. Okay. So there you go. Okay na siya. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you like it, and if you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or suggestions or idea, please just comment down below and I'll do my best to do whatever it is that you want to do. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye. Bye. That's it. Okay. the pomade. Bye bye.